Wi-Fi feels instant. You click, and a website loads. But behind the scenes, your computer is literally talking through the air, using electromagnetic waves to a router, to a modem, across networks and cables, and all the way to a server on the other side of the planet. So how does that actually work, and how does a simple signal get you the entire internet? Common misconceptions. First, let's clear up a few common myths. Wi-Fi is not the internet. It's just the wireless link between your device and your local router. You can have strong Wi-Fi and still have no internet connection if the router isn't connected to the outside world. Also, Wi-Fi doesn't beam data in a straight line. It radiates in all directions like a ripple, and that signal weakens with distance, obstacles, and interference. And no, higher bars on your device don't always mean faster internet. They only reflect your connection strength to the router, not the actual speed of the internet beyond it. From computer to router. When you request a web page, your computer first splits that request into small units called packets. Those packets are turned into a radio signal using a method called modulation, specifically OFDM, or orthogonal frequency division multiplexing. These modulated signals are transmitted wirelessly over the 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz band, and increasingly 6 GHz with Wi-Fi 6E. Your Wi-Fi antenna emits these signals, and your router receives them, demodulates them, and reassembles the data. This is the physical layer of Wi-Fi, the electromagnetic wave itself carrying your data through air. From router to internet. Once your router receives the signal, it passes the packet to its wired interface, typically via Ethernet, to a modem. That modem translates the data into a format suitable for your ISP, often using DOCSIS for cable, XDSL for phone lines, or direct Ethernet for fiber. From there, the data enters your ISP's local access network. It's routed through their infrastructure, possibly through multiple switching centers, and then out to the wider internet, known as the internet backbone. Think high-speed fiber lines spanning continents, connecting data centers, telecoms, and major routing hubs. From the internet and back to you. Eventually, your request reaches the server that hosts the content, say YouTube or Wikipedia. The server sends the response back, again as data packets, through the internet backbone, through your ISP's infrastructure, to your modem, to your router. Your router then takes the incoming Ethernet data and remodulates it, broadcasting it wirelessly back to your device using the same Wi-Fi protocol and encryption. Your computer receives the signal, demodulates it, reassembles the packets, and finally renders the web page or video on your screen. What's actually happening every millisecond? This entire round trip, from click to response, usually happens in under 200 milliseconds. Wi-Fi isn't just air magic, it's complex engineering. Signal encoding, channel negotiation, encryption, like WPA2 or WPA3, interference handling, and timing coordination. And because Wi-Fi is half duplex, your device and router can't transmit and receive at the same time. They take turns extremely fast. So the next time your internet feels slow, remember, you're relying on antennas, signal encoding, spectrum management, physical infrastructure, and global routing, just to check your email. Did you learn something new? Was any of this unclear? Don't be afraid to ask in the comments. And if you want more content like this, hit subscribe.